Mark.
Well, today we have met the Travel Welfare Minister, Government of Tripura, Mr. Meba Kumar Jamatia, to highlight few issues like the recruitment of teachers, especially in Kokoro, in school, college and university levels. This is one point. The second point is that the post-matric scholarship, especially of we came to know, and all candidates seeking exam and other civil service and many exams, they have only the option to opt Bengali as a second language. So here we have appealed to the Travel Welfare Minister on behalf of the Tripura Students Federation that this should not happen and these options should be given for the indigenous tribal people. So in our discussion